guys, and welcome back for another video. Today's video I'm going to show you, as you can see now, how to create a blending brush. So to do this, I'm going to show you how to create a blending brush, and hopefully this is helpful to you guys who are using the iPad version, as you don't really find a lot of information about the iPad version of MediBang. So to create your blending brush like I have, you'll have to go onto you have to click here where it shows you all your brushes. So when you first download the MediBang apps, they give you a numerous amount of brushes. I just deleted them because I don't need them and I don't use them, and it's easier to keep my brushes organized of which I use the most, and if I need them, I can always get them back. You need is the watercolor brush, and if you do not have the watercolor brush, you can press this plus symbol that is at the top here, and you can add brushes. So once you go add brushes, it takes you to the cloud, and you can find if you scroll down, you have a numerous amounts of brushes which you can use as well. You can go up and you can use the watercolors, watercolor wet, watercolor hard. Choose any of them brushes, it doesn't really matter. So once you've picked the watercolor brush, if you already have the watercolor brush but you're using it, you can also just copy the brush. So we're going to go into watercolors and then setting, and where it says here erasing of mixing colors, and where it says here loading color, you're going to mixing colors up and load color to the bottom to 0. So that goes down. This has to go to 100, while the other one goes to 0. So you put this one up, erase of mixing colors goes up, and load color goes down. I advise you to turn down the opacity and keep it about 5-ish. Keep the opacity about 5, 10-ish, 9-ish, around them, kind of low, for this to work as effectively as possible. Right now I'm using my Apple pen, which I've recently got to use for this blending brush. So I'm going to use it with my Apple pen and without my Apple pen to show you how it works. So now technically that's the blending brush. I don't really need that now, but I have mine here. So now I'm going to get my watercolors. So I'm going to get the red, make it big, go like this, and we'll just get a whole random color. We're going to get a yellow, get an orange, like so, and then you just get your blending brush and it just blends the colors, you see, and it just blends them. So now I'm going to show you this using the blending brush without the Apple pen and how it works. So if I turn this off and I use my finger, do it lighter. If you're using your finger, nice and light strokes like this will get the job done. Unlike when you're using the Apple pen, which is easier and just depending on your pen pressure. But if you're using your fingers, light strokes down will help you blend it. So that's the end of this video. I hope you like it and this was helpful. If it is, if you want any more tutorials about anything on MediBang, please let me know in the comments. Hopefully this is helpful, and I hope you guys like and subscribe to this channel.